Hey guys, this week on Hey Sabri, I'm going to be answering Smart Media's question, which I know is not your real name, but nonetheless. He's asked, hey Sabri, very relevant, thanks. Question for you. I run a 6-figure agency. What's the one thing to focus on in order to reach 7 figures? Cheers. Keep doing this kind of content. If you're doing, I assume you're doing 6 figures per year, then the whole, like when I look at business, I really try to just boil it down to its first principles. And like the number one ingredient of a fast growing business is that they have been able to create more demand than they have supply of whatever it is that they're selling. And that's really the first ingredient that you want to look at. It's like, okay, this is how many clients I've got. This is how many leads I'm getting. This is how many new clients I'm bringing on per month. The real thing that you should be focused on is just bringing on more clients. What is the revenue producing activities that you're doing in the business? If you're doing 6 figures, I would say that you're probably on the tools, also doing a bit of selling, spinning lots of plates. There's a lot going on in the business. You really need to, what I did is I sold by day, did the work by night, built out like a team of people to do that work so that I could just continue to focus on the things that were actually making money. And if you don't have money to spend on marketing, whatever it is, if you've got money to spend on marketing, you don't, basically for wherever you're at right now, the number one thing that you need to focus on is getting the desire to work with you far greater than the supply of actual managed clients that you could deal with. So if you're out there with no money, then you're making so many cold calls where you've got so many opportunities to bring clients on, or you're doing cold emails, or you're doing all the different tactics that you can possibly do to create as much demand as you possibly can. If you are running paid advertising, then you need to increase the spend to again increase the demand that's greater than the supply. That's how you increase your prices to get to 7 figures. And that's how you bring on lots of clients and have a steady pipeline of people that want to do business with you. I hope that helps. And a quick plug. Also, if you want to know the exact step-by-step things that you need to do, like the complete framework, there's a link in the description of this video to my flagship program called Quantum Growth, and that will literally give you the exact blueprint to get to 7 or 8 figures. I hope that helps you. Hey guys, we're coming to you from lockdown in Melbourne. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, share it with a friend. We're dropping a video like this every day on YouTube, and I will see you in the next video.